Hello. During an on-site visit to the Nannan Road Decorative Materials Wholesale Market, which was established in the 1980s. In 1995, Nannan Road has since developed into the Guangdong Decorative Materials Market, the Yangqing Decorative Materials Market, the Guangzhou Decorative Materials Market, the Liwan Decorative Materials Market, and others. It is one of the oldest building materials hubs in Guangzhou, located on Nannan Road in the Zhongshan 7th and 8th Road area of Liwan District, Guangzhou, near major export ports such as Nansha Port and Huangpu Port. The entire market district covers an area of approximately 11,000 square meters and contains more than 1,500 stores. The customer base consists primarily of domestic customers and buyers from Africa and Southeast Asia. Product available throughout the market include wood products, imported stone, custom-shaped stone crafts, bathroom fixtures, lighting fixtures, high-end handicrafts, wood moldings, fire-resistant panels, plastic profiles, hardware fittings, titanium-plated handles, wallpaper, building materials, electrical appliances, audiovisual equipment, decorative fabrics, chemical machinery and equipment, plugs and outlets, flooring, wooden doors, aluminum alloy doors and windows, kitchen appliances, wardrobes, ceilings, bathroom fixtures. The product industry clusters span Foshan, Zhongshan, Chaozhou, Jiangmen, and Dongguan. For example, the aluminum alloy door and window industry is based in Foshan. The kitchen appliance industry cluster is in Zhongshan, and the sanitary ware industry cluster is in Chaozhou. Characteristics of the supply chain for wholesale market stalls. Most of these stores are middlemen or authorized brand dealers. The business cards you receive will not include the factory's address or name, and it's up to you to decide whether to buy after receiving a quote. There are also some factory direct stores whose business cards list the factory address. Many people assume that finding a factory direct store means they've found a good source of goods. The advantage of intermediaries and distributors is that they are skilled at running a business and have built up customer relationships and market experience over the long term. However, they lack the professional capacity to conduct systematic screening across tens of thousands or even hundreds of thousands of factories. Their relationship with the factory is based on long-standing guanxing, shared interests, and experience-based judgment, rather than an objective assessment of the factory's overall capabilities. Factory direct stores can guarantee that you're getting products straight from the source, but they can't guarantee at all that this particular factory has a competitive edge over similar factories. In China's industrial clusters alone, there are likely several thousand factories that produce wooden boards. There are even more that manufacture aluminum alloy doors and windows. A factory direct store represents just one of those several thousand factories. Professional sourcing involves systematically screening through these tens of thousands of factories to identify the most suitable one based on the client's specific needs. This process includes analyzing customer needs, identifying industrial clusters, retrieving the supplier database, creating a long list, verifying detailed information one by one. After conducting a risk assessment, comprehensive scoring and screening, on-site factory inspections, sample disassembly and testing, and comprehensive analysis and screening, the best factory is selected. Only then does the process move on to the stages of negotiation, contract signing, order tracking, inspection, and shipment. Only after going through this entire process will you truly know what price to quote and which factory to choose. Map coordinate distribution of factories for various products in China. The detailed information for each factory map coordinate contains over 100 items. All factory information is then scored across these dimensions. Rigorously select the best factories from a massive pool of factories. How can I help you? Goodbye.